Hello and good day to all. I am standing in the middle of Albion, Maine. I just got done at Peace Ridge Sanctuary, but I stopped at my grandfather's dairy farm. This is where I grew up. It's all overgrown. I'll show you. That's the house. And across the street, the fields. I don't know what this is. I'm not sure what they're doing here, but that used to be the dairy farm. So this is where I grew up. I'm vegan and I've been vegan for almost 7 years now, and this is where I grew up, and I don't miss dairy at all. Have a great day, folks.